Have you ever wondered why astronauts appear to float effortlessly in space? This fascinating phenomenon isn't just some magic trick. Let's unravel the mystery of how and why this happens. To start, it's essential to get one thing clear. Astronauts are not floating because there is no gravity in space. In fact, gravity is very much present, even at the altitude where the International Space Station orbits Earth. So, you might be asking, if gravity is still there, why do astronauts seem weightless? The reason lies in how objects move when they are in orbit. Astronauts and spacecraft are in a state of continuous free fall towards Earth. Imagine throwing a ball. The harder you throw it, the farther it travels before it hits the ground because gravity pulls it down. Now, imagine throwing it so hard that as it falls, the curvature of Earth drops away beneath it. This is what happens in orbit. The International Space Station is moving fast enough that as it falls, it keeps missing Earth. This continuous motion creates the sensation of weightlessness, making astronauts float. The experience for astronauts is similar to what you feel during the first drop of a roller coaster, or even when you jump off a diving board. For a brief moment, you are in free fall. In orbit, this sensation never goes away. Everything inside the spacecraft is falling along with it, including the astronauts, which is why they float. In this weightless environment, astronauts can conduct experiments and activities that are impossible to perform with gravity on Earth. For instance, growing plants, studying the behavior of materials, or even analyzing their own bodies yields incredibly valuable insights. This floating sensation also lets them move around effortlessly, touching the ceiling or flipping around with just a slight push. Floating in space looks like a lot of fun, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Without the pull of gravity, astronauts must carefully manage their movements to avoid drifting away. Their muscles and bones also don't work as hard as they would on Earth, so exercise is crucial to keep them healthy. All in all, life in space requires adapting to this unique environment, where even the simplest actions, like eating or sleeping, become different experiences. To sum up, astronauts float not because there's no gravity, but because they are in a continuous state of free fall while orbiting Earth. It's an amazing consequence of physics that allows humans to explore and conduct research beyond our planet. So next time you see videos of astronauts floating, you'll know the science behind the spectacle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space. We hope you enjoyed discovering why astronauts float. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting explorations. See you next time.